Hello students, welcome to Study Door. Today we are going to do Thales theorem. It is 6 mark short question in exams. In real life it is also very useful like painting styles and many other things. The other name of Thales theorem is also BPT. The meaning of BPT is basic proportional theorem. Now let's start our theorem. Statement of theorem is if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect third line, other two sides in two distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So students, we have given a triangle ABC in which DE is parallel to BC. We have three sides of the triangle which is AB, AC and BC, and one side is parallel to the third side is BC, and DE is parallel to BC. So we have given a triangle ABC in which DE is parallel to BC. It is given to us that DE is parallel to BC. Now we have to prove that DE cuts the lines AB at D and AC at E. So we have to prove that the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. In the same ratio means other two sides, which are other two sides? AB and AC. AB cuts at D in ratio AD by DB. So we have to prove that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AE by EC. So this is our parallel line. It cuts the line AB at D and AC at E. So AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. We have to prove it. Construction, we will construct that join BE and DC. First we will join BE and DC. After that we will take a perpendicular D from DF perpendicular AC. Construct from D DF perpendicular AC and from E construct EG. From EG perpendicular to AB. It is our construction. Our construction was join BE and DC. After that perpendicular D from DF to AC and from EG to AB. Now we have to prove our theorem. No need to cram the theorem. We have 4 steps in this theorem. First of all, we have to find out the area of triangle ADE. After that, BED, and after that, DCE. These three triangles. You have to find out the area of 3 triangles. Write it. Area of triangle ADE, upper side of triangle. After that we will take the triangle DEB, area of triangle DEB. Now we will again take area of triangle ADE and area of triangle DEC. First we have to take DEB, after that we will take DEC. Area of triangle DEC. This will be our first equation and it will be our second equation. Still I am left its right hand side. We will fill it after some time. Now After two steps, we have to prove that these area of these two triangles are same. Area of these two triangles are same, which have taken in denominator. First is we will write area of triangle DEB is equal to area of triangle DEC. Why it is equal? Because these two triangles are in same parallel lines and at same base. Because these triangles are in between the parallel lines and on same base. Okay, now we have three steps. First is this step, second step is this one, and third step is this one. Fourth step we will prove from both three steps. First of all, we will fill up it. Now we know that area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base into perpendicular. Now first of all, we will take triangle ADE. Which is our triangle ADE? This one is ADE. Which is its base? Where perpendicular stands on it. A perpendicular ADE, which is the perpendicular, EG is perpendicular, and base will be AD. So 1 by 2 base is AD and perpendicular will be EG. Right? Now in denominator we have to find out the area of triangle DEB. Which is triangle DEB? This one is our triangle DEB. We have to find out its area, and its perpendicular will be outside the triangle, which is again EG, and base will be BD. Base will be BD. 1 by 2 area of triangle, base into perpendicular. What is the base? Base is BD, and again perpendicular is outside the triangle, which is EG. Now solve it. 1 by 2 cuts will 1 by 2, EG cuts will EG. So our remaining part will be left AD by BD. Now our second part, area of triangle ADE and DEC. Now we will take triangle DEC. So our perpendicular will be in ADE is DF. In this side, DF. 1 by 2 area of triangle ADE, base AE and perpendicular DF. AE into DF. Now remaining triangle we have to find out the area DEC. Which is DEC? This one is our DEC. So the perpendicular of DEC is outside the triangle, that is DF. 1 by 2 perpendicular is DF and base is EC. 1 by 2 cut will 1 by 2, DF cut will DF. So our remaining part is AE by EC. Now in proof we have three steps. First is area of triangle ADE and DEB. Second is area of ADE and DEC. Third is both of these triangles area is equal, because perpendicular, these triangles are between perpendicular lines and on the same base. Now we have to find out the area of triangle ADE. We know the area of triangle ADE is 1 by 2 base into perpendicular. So area of triangle ADE is equal to 1 by 2. Its base is AD and perpendicular is EG. Now in DEB, its base is BD and perpendicular is EG. So we will cut it. Our remaining part is AD by BD. Similarly, we can do in this triangle. Our remaining part is AE by EC. Comparing these three, we find that these two sides are equal. So our right hand side will be also equal. We can write it AD by BD is equal to AE by EC. Hence proved. So students, today we have done the Thales theorem, which is also called the BPT basic proportional theorem. It is 6 marks sure question in exam, so you have to definitely do it, understand it again and again. You can secure 6 marks in exam. Thank you.